6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube. Today we have a disassembly of the Creality Sonic pad, and I took the back lid off, which was clips on here and 4 screws. So, and you have to take this, a speaker, small speaker, you just take it off this side. So this is the inside of it, and I'm going to unveil what's underneath here. One screw here, another one here, and you have a third one here. I even think there is one more here. Alright, I think I need to take these two off as well, which are the power button. Something is still holding it down. Might be this. All right, just the plate. So underneath here you have the main board. There is a screw underneath, so you open this one, unscrew this one, and then it's free. Okay, not much to see on the other side. So this is what the inside of it looks like. You have a main board, you have your attachment of your peripherals, Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0s, 2 buttons here, and the cable goes in here, and then it's connected also to the USBs on this side, and your power button is also connected through this side. And underneath here is your LCD screen. Well, LCD I think it's using, probably. And there is also a cable underneath here, but that's just like a plain board. And I'm not going to take these off. But as far as I can see, this is just a board that has a RAM on it, and there is also a connection port here, which is for the touch screen. Here the cable routes through there, and on the other side there is also a cable like this for the screen. So that's it, and I just wanted to know what's inside of here. As you can see, not much, but you don't need much. That's about it, and thank you for watching. I hope you liked this disassembly of the Creality Sonic pad. I see you on the next one. Bye!